If you are holding Bitcoin, you need to watch this video. It is very important. We have some very important information to share with you if you are holding Bitcoin, which is going to most likely predicting where Bitcoin is going to be heading in the immediate short term. Now, if you love crypto content like this, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Consider giving this video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comment section below. Do you think Bitcoin is going to reach all-time highs this year? So very interesting information. We have Bitcoin funding rates show demand to short Bitcoin as $40,000. Bitcoin price seems that it's resistance. And then we also have extreme fear accompanies Bitcoin's descent to about $39,000. So a bunch of very interesting information. We also have the DXY resistance, saw for Bitcoin trend break. So we are of course waiting for the DXY to break resistance, which is of course basically the US dollar. And while it is pumping, it usually drops the price of Bitcoin. So interesting things to take note of. But if we go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart, at least let's go to the 30-minute time frame. What we can see for Bitcoin is, of course, we are beginning to form an inverse head and shoulders on the 30-minute time frame. So just the other day, Bitcoin fell from $43,000 all the way down to about $39,000, which is about right here. Bitcoin fell to about $39,000. And the reason why that happened was because the Fed is talking about raising interest rates. So that caused the stock market to go down significantly, which also has caused fear in the crypto market and has pushed pretty much everything down. But are we going to be seeing a relief rally on Sunday night, which we usually always see when there is a red week, especially when the week ends in red for a couple of days? That is very likely. So all of this drop right here, all of this negativity is literally the worst of what can happen with raising the interest rates. It's already been priced in with Bitcoin, in my opinion. Now, Bitcoin is attempting to recover from this range here. Bitcoin is attempting to recover from 38 to 39, and we are making higher highs and higher lows, at least in this small little time frame here. But we want to keep a careful eye and see if Bitcoin is going to end up getting rejected of about $40,000, and if it's going to come back down to test the $38,000 range. Now, what I personally think, and let me show you this chart here, is that we have a TA analyst on Twitter, this very, very good chart. And what it does indicate for us is whenever there is this convergence right here with this chart on the Bitcoin chart, we do see usually bottoms, that this usually is a very strong bottom indicator, and we have not seen this but for only a few times, and this is happening right now. So we actually might be at the bottom of the crypto market. This might be the bottom for Bitcoin. 39,000, 38,000 is going to probably be the actual bottom and strongest support for Bitcoin, and we might be heading up from here. Yes, things can trade sideways for the next day or two, but I personally think and hope that this certainly is the bottom. Of course, there are bearish scenarios. There are bearish possibilities that can easily happen, especially if we zoom out here. We could see Bitcoin end up dropping from this $38,000 to $39,000 level all the way to test the 37, 36, 34 and beyond. That's certainly possible, but we are looking for the more bullish price targets, as what is happening behind the scenes for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is actually very bullish, as the liquid supply of Bitcoin on the exchanges is being removed very fast, very rapidly. And that really shows you what's actually happening on chain and even behind the scenes, despite the negative price movement and price action we are seeing for Bitcoin. So just because prices are down does not necessarily mean that things are actually very bearish. No, a lot of times cryptos are actually very bullish behind the scenes before they start to show up bullish on the charts. And even on the charts, look at the 4-hour time frame, we are also still seeing this inverse head and shoulders, and this usually most of the time is a bullish reversal signal that actually ends up being quite reliable and accurate. So we are waiting, of course, for Bitcoin to make a move. But with a lot of bearish news out there, with a lot of FUD out there, that's usually when things start to take off. Things usually start to bounce up when fear reaches a peak, when people are panicking and they're selling and going crazy. That is usually, honestly, when things start to recover and to take off from those points. It's usually the scariest times, the bearish of times. That is when things really actually start to take off. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto traders on the internet, one to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, follow all of my exact trades, speak to me on the phone where we can build you a current portfolio, you can do so at patreon.com/MyLESG Investments, which is in my topic comment or my video description, or you can do so at MyLESGinvestments.com. As well, I have a full crypto trading course that teaches you technical analysis, all of my investment secrets at MyLESGinvestments.teachable.com, which is also accessible at MyLESGinvestments.com. Check out the links in my video description description. Follow my socials. You can check out my other crypto channel I have out there. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with the link in my video description below. If you sign up and fund an account, they will give you a very nice bonus. So that's going to be it for today's video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, sharing this video with a friend or family member. Let me know in the comments things that you would like to see me do on this channel. Thank you.